everyone, today I'm gonna try to put some color depositing mask on my hair. It is a temporary hair color. This is what I'm gonna use from Moroccanoil. So I saw a lot of video with this product on dark hair or sometime on bleach blonde hair. Most of the time the pink one on light hair, but I didn't really see some Bordeaux. It's a red. I didn't see the Bordeaux on some bleach hair, and I really want like a red, but not like a bright red. I want more like a burgundy red. So I'm gonna try Bordeaux, but just in case it's not dark enough for the color that I want, I also bought the cocoa color, so it's like a brown. So I'm really excited because if these things really work, what it's supposed to do is just like a conditioner or something, is just to put the color depositing on your hair, and it's supposed to fade while you wash your hair and supposed to go back to like the color that you have before you put the product. However, I'm gonna have to say I read online that you're not supposed to use the Bordeaux on blonde hair, like lighter hair than a light brown, and the end of my hair is pretty like, let's say a dark blonde, honey blonde. Yeah, it's pretty light. I bleach it, so I don't know if it's gonna go back to this color. However, I'm ready to try because I really want red hair. I've been wanted to have red hair for the last 3 months, but I didn't want to commit to the red hair while it was still summer. So I want to try the temporary hair color, and if you didn't see, I did a video where I use kind of like a semi-permanent hair dye where I dye my hair burgundy. So this kind of color, it stay. Even though it fade, it will not really go back to like the color that you start. However, when you use color depositing mask, it's supposed to go back. But we're gonna see together. I realized that I don't really see any video on YouTube where people show you the process of like the color of the hair fading. So I'm also gonna film what my hair looks like while it's fading during the months. However, it's starting to be a bit cold in Montreal, so I usually don't wash my hair more than like once a week, once 2 weeks, sometimes even 3 if I have them straight. So just so you guys know the color that is fading, it's probably take longer for me because I don't wash my hair as often. However, I saw that usually people like the color fade after a month, but it can go to 2 months. So for me it's probably gonna be 3 months, but we're gonna see. So I just want to show you what it looks like. I didn't open it yet. They said you're supposed to apply a generous amount to clean, towel dry hair, and put the product evenly using a wet to comb. Leave on for 5 to 7 minutes and rinse thoroughly. And then you just towel your hair. So I just want to show you what my hair looks like. This is a whole wash and go. Let me just put more light. This is the color that I have, and I'm cutting my hair before I put the product, so I'm probably just gonna fill just a little section, but as always you can just skip to the minutes where you want to see what you want to see in this video. So if it's too long, I'm sorry, but if some of you want to know how I cut it, I'm not going to do another video because I already have a video how I cut my hair, but I'll just show you a little bit on this video. But this is my hair, and I also filmed it while it was straight last week. I straightened my hair just to have my like kind of like blonde hair one more time when it's long. before I cut it and put the temporary red color on my hair. So I straightened them, I kept it for like a week, and then this is like a whole wash and go since I washed them. Okay, I just finished to wash my hair. I just want to show you today. It's Friday, September 16, and yes, it is like 10. So I'm not a hairdresser. This is probably not the best way to cut your hair, and honestly, I never cut my hair like this. Again, always when it is dry, but because I don't want to waste the color, I'm just gonna take like two sides and just cut maybe like 3 inches like this, and then I will finish it once it is dry. If you ever put red, like a hair dye that is red or whatever, red on your hair, it is really messy. Like usually my bathroom just look like I killed someone and my face just get red all over here. So just in case, I'm gonna put some Vaseline, just a little bit in the front like this. Okay, I am excited, guys. Let's see. I'm gonna open. I think, yeah, there's something there. I am really excited. Ooh, that's a beautiful red. And as I was thinking, it's a bit too red for me. I want something more burgundy. That looks, it is, they said Bordeaux. I guess this is what Bordeaux is, but in my head, Bordeaux is a bit darker. So I'm just gonna start to put some, I'm speaking French now. Oh yeah, so I just want to say that I'm gonna put the hair dye there so it's easier for me to apply it on my hair. And yeah, that's gonna be a little bit too red, so I'm gonna put a lot because I have a lot of hair. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with not that much to see if I need more. So, ooh, the smell. It smells like their product. Like if you use this brand before, the oil or whatever product, it usually smell the same thing, and the masks just smell the same thing. So I'm hesitant. I think this is too red, yeah. So I'm gonna put, this is why I bought the cocoa, and I just bought a smaller one because it is expensive, guys. Let's not like lie. I think this thing was like 35 or 29. I'm gonna put the price just to make sure. But yeah, it is expensive. And this one, oh, look at that. That's pretty dark. So I'm not gonna put a lot. I'm gonna start like with maybe just this. And I'm gonna mix it and see. Okay, I think you're gonna be able to see what I'm doing, but I'm mixing. I'm gonna put, this is what it looks like with like the cocoa and the red that I put, and that looks a bit more like the color that I want, but I'm gonna have to put way much more because I know my hair, it's thicker than this. So I think I use almost a quarter of this, and I'm gonna put more cocoa after if I need, but I don't know if you can see the difference. That's the red and that's the mix that I did. So I want my red to be a little bit more darker. So I'm just gonna mix it like that, and it looks like a beautiful lipstick, like a beautiful red. I don't know if you agree. Okay, we're gonna mix more because I just know that I need more. So I guess that's pretty much half that I use. Okay, I think I'm satisfied with this color. I'm a bit scared, to be honest, that it's not exactly the color that I want, but I'm gonna have to try and see. Yes, I could do a test strand, but I'm not really about that life because I just want to put the color and do my hair. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go and just apply it, and we will see. There is like a little bit that fall here. What I'm scared is that it looks a bit more pink than red, because looking at it, it looks a bit more pink, but we will see. Or even like purple, but that's gonna have to work. I'm almost done with the mix, but I still have in the bottle, so I'm gonna mix after in the front to see, like, because that's the part of my hair that is the lightest. So I'm just gonna go and rinse my hair. I'm not gonna put any shampoo because I washed my hair already. And yep, we will see what it looks like. Okay, I am done. I didn't see the color yet. Obviously this is not the same t-shirt because it's just a mess. It was a little bit better than the Manic Panic, like my bath looked like. It was really like pink red, but it was not as messy than like when I put Manic Panic or another hair dye to dye my hair red. Anyways, let's see the result. Let me put the light. I saw a little bit and I saw a little bit of red pink. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, it is red, but I think it's more pinkish than I wanted it to be. It's really red actually. It's lighter than I thought it would be, and some part looks like it needs a bit more like color, but nothing crazy. Actually I like that. It's just a lighter than I thought it would be. Like, I'm pretty happy with the result. The only thing I'm gonna say is I thought because it's a mask, right? Like when I was putting the product, I felt like it was moisturizing my hair, but once I like rinse it, it was just dry. So I put a little bit conditioner and then just rinse everything. But yeah, it feels great overall. Okay, I'm finally done. It is 1:03. I am so tired, but I am really happy with the result. I might just like finish my haircut tomorrow. If I want, I might put a little bit more layers. But for now, I'm satisfied with this. I love the color. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna try to play with the light. But it looks red, burgundy red, and sometimes more like a pink, like a dark pink, fuchsia, but yeah, I don't know what color is that, but I love it. I really hope it doesn't fade too fast and in a weird like pink. I'm gonna do another video where I show you how this color fade during the next months or weeks. I have no idea. When I do like the other video, I'll give you my final review. But for now, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. Not 10 because I think it's a little bit too expensive for like what I have for my hair. I want just more than one use, or actually maybe like 1.5 use. But if I can give you an advice before like you decide that you don't like a color, unless you really don't like it, make sure you leave it for at least a week and feel like the color, how do you feel when you look at it, because sometimes the color just grow on you. I actually already love it like when I had the result, but I just love it more now. And I actually love it better when it's just curly like that with the haircut. But yeah, this is it. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below, what do you think of this color? Do you think it's worth the price? And if you ever try it, let me know how it works for you. Thank you for watching. Bye, Johnny.